Good morning, students. Let me start today class. Today I am going to explain arithmetic progression. Short form we can tell AP, or else we can tell arithmetic sequence. Okay. So in earlier classes we have discussed about sequences. Yes. What is mean by sequence? Arrangement of real numbers in specific order. It is called as sequences. Some specific order you should arrange and write the numbers. It is called sequences. In that sequences some types are there. Okay, some types of sequences are there. Here first one is we are going to see arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence. Short form we can tell AP. Next one is geometric progression is there. After that series also is there. Arithmetic series and geometric series also is there. Now today we are going to learn arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression or else arithmetic sequence? You see, so you should arrange and write. For example, you choose, let A and D be the real numbers. Okay, then the numbers is of the form A plus D, A plus 2D, up to etc. Like that it will go on. Okay, is said to be arithmetic progression. Is said to be arithmetic progression. This is, understand, this is called arithmetic progression. So see, for given example you will understand. So you want to choose two numbers A and D be the real numbers, and these numbers we want to write in the form of A plus D, A plus 2D, up to etc. is said to be arithmetic progression. So short form we can tell AP. For example, you see, suppose I am choosing even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, up to etc. Now see, here A is called, what is that means? A is called first term. A is called first term, and here D is called common difference. D is called common difference. Okay. So now you see here A is called first term. That means in the sequence first term is, what is that? First term A is equal to 2. And common difference, how we want to find means, common difference D, second term you should subtract first term. Okay, here you want to mention, already know the sequence is mentioned in the form of A1, A2, A3, up to etc. AN. Here arithmetic progression, the terms we can mention T1, T2, T3, T4, up to etc. Tn. Okay, then means common difference D you want means second term you should subtract first term, T2 minus T1. So 4 minus 2 we will receive as a 2. Okay, now A also do 2 and D also 2. Now you should write in the form of first A. A is, what is that? A is 2. So check it, A plus D, A plus 2D, up to etc. You check it now. A is 2. Next A 2, D also 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Next A is 2. Okay, A is 2. Here D is 2. So 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 2 you should add means 6. So it is going like that. So C is in the form of arithmetic progression. Yes. So it is arithmetic progression means the given sequence you want to write in the form of A plus D, A plus 2D, up to etc. This is called arithmetic progression. Here A is called first term and D is called common difference. Okay. Now see. Then now you can understand clearly. Then AP look likes A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, up to etc. It will go on. So arithmetic progressions look like A plus D, A plus 2D. Okay, AP look likes. So this is a formula, one of the formula. So arithmetic progressions look like A plus D, A plus 2D, up to etc. Then suppose one example, the given sequence. So given sequence, any one of the sequence is given, whether question asked whether it is the arithmetic progression or not. Okay, given sequence, for example 3 root 2, comma 5 root 2, comma 7 root 2. So up to etc. it is going on. Yes. So whether this sequence is an given sequence is arithmetic progression or not. How we want to check? You see, we know AP. Arithmetic progressions look like that. Then you want to check all the difference. All the terms difference it comes equal. It is called an arithmetic progression. It is called an arithmetic progression. So you check it now. T2 minus T1 common difference want to check. T2 minus T1. So 5 root 2 you should subtract 3 root 2 means you will get 2 root 2. 5 minus 3 2. 2 root 2 you will receive. Next difference you want to check T3 minus T2. Third term, second term want to subtract. So 7 root 2 minus 5 root 2. You should subtract, you will get 2 root 2. Suppose any one of the next fourth term is given means T4 minus T3 you want to check. All the difference it comes equal. It is called an arithmetic progression. Therefore here common difference is equal. Common difference is equal. Therefore given sequence is AP. Given sequence is an AP. Arithmetic progression. So any one of the sequence is given, the question has to find whether the given sequence is AP or not, means common difference want to check. Whether common difference is equal means it is called an AP, or else is not an AP. So one difference also didn't come equal. So it is called not an AP. Like that you want to check. So see next. See, already I told you that arithmetic progressions look like A plus D, A plus 2D, up to etc. Yes. So now you see this is called T1. Next T2, T3, up to etc. Then nth term Tn. Nth term what will be? So in AP, in arithmetic progression, nth term of nth term is Tn is equal to, what is the formula means, A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. So A plus D, A plus 2D up to etc. A plus n minus 1 into D. This is called Tnth term. Tnth term. So see, suppose for example, any one of the sequence in AP, in arithmetic progression, find 15th term. Find 15th term if, for example here 15th term, any one of the sequence 2, 4, this is even number. If any one of the term you see, for example 3, 6, 9, 12, up to etc. It is given like that. Question asked 15th term means, actually this is n. N means which term. Here already first term T1, T2, T3, T4. Up to 4 terms are there. Question asked to find T15. 15th term how we want to find. With the help of this formula we will receive 15th term. So see, first what want to find here? A want to find first formula, because Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here A is 3, first term. Always first term is called A. So A is equal to 3. D is equal to common difference. So second term minus first term. 6 minus 3 you will receive as a 3. So here n is, what is that? N is equal to 15. So 15th term only want to find. So n is equal to 15. Now you substitute in this formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So D T15 is equal to n is 15. So A is 3 plus 15 minus 1 into D is 3. Now 3 plus 15 minus 1, 14. 14 into 3 first you should multiply. After that you add with 3 means you will receive the answer. Therefore this is equal to 3 plus 14 3s are. 4 3s are 12, remaining 1, 3, 4, 42. So 45. Therefore, in this sequence, in this arithmetic progression, T 15th term is, what does that means? 45. T 15th term is 45. Okay. I gave easy example. Okay. Suppose if any difficult example it is question they will ask. Okay. Anyone of the arithmetic progression want to find 100th term, 200th term, like that they will ask, means use this formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, we will receive the answer. Okay, so using these are the formulas we are going to solve exercise problems. See exercise problem, exercise 2.5, first problem. So check whether the following sequence are in AP or not. Okay, actually AP or not we want to check. Okay, so one of the sequence is given. Solution, you see, given sequence is a minus 3, a minus 5, a minus 7. Only 3 terms are given. Okay, up to etc. Check whether it is a AP or not. Okay, first, so you check difference, common difference want to check. Okay, common difference d is equal to t2 minus t1, second term minus first term. So a minus 5 of minus of, okay, a minus 3, first term is a minus 3. Now a minus 5, here minus is common for both the term, so minus a minus into minus plus 3. Okay, then means plus a minus a will go, minus 5 plus 3 go means minus 2. Next, again you want to check common difference, this t3 minus t2, third term minus second term. So a minus, all the difference want to come equal, so that third term minus second term you want to separate. So say a minus 7 minus of a minus 5. Again this minus is common, so a minus 7 minus a minus into minus plus 5. Minus a plus a, it will go, remaining minus 7 plus 5 go means remaining minus 2. Therefore, here T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Common difference, its K equal. Yes, common difference is equal. Therefore, common difference is equal. Given sequence is an AP. So given sequence is an AP. That's all. Okay, common difference want to come equal. It comes equal, it is an AP, or else it's not an AP. Okay, that's all. See next second point, 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3 comma 1 by 4 comma 1 by 5 up to etc. So in this sequence we want to check AP or not. Okay, so see solution, given sequence you should write. Given sequence, how many terms are given? Given sequence is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by, many terms are there, but here 4 terms it's arrived. Okay, 1 2 3 4 terms. Now common difference you check whether AP or not. How we want to check common difference? D is equal to T2 minus T1. So 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. So straight away you should not subtract. Okay, 1 1 0, 3 minus 2 1, so 0 by anything 0 should not write, it is wrong. So here different denominator, so want to take it as a LCM. LCM means 3 2s are 6. Okay, cross multiplication want to do, so 1 2s are 2 minus 1 3s are 3. So subtract 1 minus 6 you will get. Okay, so next common difference want to check. D is equal to T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. So again here different denominator, so want to take it as a LCM. So 4 3s are 12. So doing cross multiplication, you will receive 3 ones are 3 minus 4 ones are 4. So you will get minus 1 by 12. So you will receive as a minus 1 by 12. So first one and second one you check. First one is minus 1 by 6, but second one is minus 1 by 12. Both also different numbers. Yes. Therefore, no need to check next term. T4 minus T3, no need to check. So first two terms it comes different. So it is not an AP. Therefore, here T2 minus T1, difference is not equal, T3 minus T2. So common difference is not equal. Common difference is not equal. Common difference is not equal. Therefore, given sequence is not an AP. Therefore, given sequence is not an AP. So you want to write like that. So because here difference it comes different. Okay, so that it is not an AP. That's all. See, next one you check whether it is AP or not. Okay, so given sequence you should write. So solution given sequence is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. So like that it is going. Okay, now difference you check. Common difference want to check. Okay, so common difference D is equal to second term minus first term. So minus second term is minus 1. Minus 1 formula minus is this, so minus here is 1. So minus 1 we will add minus 2. Next common difference D is equal to T3 minus T2. T3 is plus 1. 1 minus formula minus T2 is minus 1. So minus of minus 1. So what you will receive 1 minus into minus plus 1. So 1 plus 1 and means 2. So here minus 2 came, here plus 2 it comes. So both also it is different. Therefore here T2 minus T1 is not equal to T3 minus T2. So here common difference didn't come equal. Therefore common difference is not equal. Sorry, it came common difference, it came differently. So common difference is not equal. Therefore given sequence is not an AP. That's all. No need to go, no need to check next terms. Here T3 minus T, okay, sorry, T4 minus T3, T5 minus T4, T6 minus T5. No need to check because here second term it comes different, so that it is not an AP. Okay, difference comes differently. Okay, so that it is not an AP. See next one. Second one, first term A and common difference D are given below. Find the corresponding AP. So we want to find the corresponding AP. Arithmetic progression we want to find. So question is given first term and common difference. So see solution given A is equal to 7, D is equal to minus 5. Okay, second point I'm teaching. Okay, now we know that arithmetic progressions look like AP look like A plus D, A plus 2D, up to etc. It will go on. Yes, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. Okay, at least 4 terms you should write. A plus 3D up to etc. It will go on. Now you substitute in this value, you substitute. A is 7. Okay, 7 comma 7 plus minus 5. D is minus 5. Next, A is 7 plus 2 times of minus 5 because D is minus 5. Next, A is 7 plus 3 times of minus 5. Okay, comma up to etc. Okay, now you should write in that 7 comma a plus into minus minus. So 7 minus 5. Yes, 7 plus into minus minus 2 5s are 10. So minus 10. Next is 7 like that, plus into minus minus 3 5s are 15. After you simplify and write, so we will receive the answer 7 comma 7 minus 5 2 comma 7 minus 10 we will receive as a minus 3. Okay, so we will receive as a minus 3. Next, okay, next here 7 minus 15 we will receive as a minus 8. Like that it will go on. It is an AP. Okay, therefore the AP is 7 2 minus 3 minus 8. That's all. Okay, given first term and the common difference we received as a AP. AP is look like that. Therefore this is the answer. Okay, that's all. See next third point, A value is 3 by 4, D value is 1 by 2. We want to find AP. Okay. So given first, right, given A value is first term 3 by 4, common difference 1 by 2. Already we know that AP is look like, arithmetic progression is look like A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D up to etc. Now you should substitute. A value is 3 by 4, comma, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Next 3 by 4 plus 2 times of 1 by 2. Okay, because common difference is 1 by 2, comma. Next A value is 3 by 4 plus 3 times of 1 by 2. So like that it will go on. Now you simplify and write 3 by 4, comma. Here 4 and 2 different. Yes. So different denominators. In between plus is there. Multiplication means easily we will do. As it is you want to multiply. But in between plus is there. Okay. So different denominator means want to take LCM. So I'll taking LCM, multiply first this 2. 4 2s are 8. Okay. Then cross multiplication 3 2s are 6 plus 4 1s are 4. Okay, next like that. Here 2 and 2 it will go on. Okay, 2 numerator 2 denominator 2 it will go on. Remaining 1. So here denominator 4 is there. Here denominator is not there. So 4 you should multiply with 1 means 3 plus 4 whole divided by 4. Okay, this 4 want to take it as a LCM. 4 1s are 4 plus 3 whole divided by 4. Next term, see here 3, here denominator is 4, here denominator is 2. So want to take it as LCM. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Cross multiplication 2 means here 3 2s are 6 plus, okay, next 3 4s are here. This 2 want to multiply. 3 4s are, okay, 3 1s are 3. 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. Okay, up to etc. Now next step, you see, simplify. 3 by 4. Here 6 plus 4 10. 10 by 8. Okay, 10 by 8. Next 3 by 4, 3 plus 4 7. 7 by 4. Come on. Next this you should add 18 by 8 up to etc. So next step, if it is possible you should cancel and write. Now cancel means this implies 3 by 4. We cannot get cancel 3 by 4. 2 table cancel means 5 by 2. Okay. So see, therefore answer is, see, 3 by 4, comma, cancel 2 table, 5 by 4, 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8. Next 7 by 4 we cannot get cancel 7 by 4. 18 by 8 you can cancel 2 table, 9 by 4 up to etc. Okay, this is called given AP. Okay, given A and D, using this we got AP. Okay, this is AP. That's all.